For all verified facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
A good surgical mask can filter almost even 90% of the virus as a material, but in practical use, when you hold it against your face, because you have no seal, you always have a lot more air leakage. The common 3-ply surgical masks will invariably filter out 60 to 70% of the virus. So for bacteria, pollen, etc., the large droplet kind of things, they will filter out close to 80-90%. That is not a problem. But if the mask seals perfectly on your face, right, the green colored cloth mask you will see in almost every hospital, these are just made from 2 layers of thick cloth, and even these are almost will filter out 40-50% of the virus. 3 or 4 layers of this t-shirt material can often filter out almost 60% of the virus size particles, and they're obviously very efficient at filtering out large droplets. If you take a folded handkerchief, a dupatta or something, it will give you some filtration efficiency. By definition, an N95 mask is supposed to filter out 95% of fine particles which are less or about 0.3 microns in size, which is typically the size of the virus. They will provide 100% protection against larger particles, bacteria, pollen, dust particles. Those get filtered out almost completely. An N95 mask with a valve like this one, okay? What is this valve? This valve is an exhalation valve. So here there is a piece of rubber, okay, on a valve which goes out when you breathe. It's meant for dusty environments, for people scraping walls in the mining industry, etc. Very important part of a mask is to prevent the wearer's own particles or droplets from going outside. And that a valve mask does not do. A valve mask is a zero resistance path to particles going outside. But again, there's a second point. Especially in the monsoon season, given the humidity we have in India, this rubber gasket that we have, rubber is an intrinsically sticky material. The rubber gasket, you breathe in and out your humid breath, right, coupled with the moisture outside, it's going to get wet and sticky. Once your rubber is sticky, it's going to attract dust particles. And even one dust particle that sits on it, if it sits on the inside, is going to prevent that valve from sealing properly. If it doesn't seal properly, it's no longer an N95 even while breathing in.